useful tool that compare. We also have our extender, in which we have a lot of extensions that we can install. A lot, much more than a person will ever need in their lifetime. And we can also manually install things. So what else would you need, right? We can infinitely extend this. There's going to be a separate video on how the extension works. I mean, in the sense that there's going to be a separate course, of course, for the extender. And in that, we're going to teach you how to write your own extensions. Basic Java knowledge is required. Now for the other tabs in here, you have some basic options which you can go through, but in my opinion they are not very useful. I hardly ever use them. If I need a SOX proxy, I will use it. If I have an upstream proxy server, I will use it. But that's something that's more useful for pen testers, I think. I'm not going to set up a at-home upstream proxy server at here. I don't know why that would be useful for me. So that's basically the basics of Burp Suite. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's quite a lot of things that you can do. As you can see, Burp Suite is very, very in-depth. It's not just some basic tool. It's super, super rich in features. It has a lot of things you can do. And besides that, I almost forgot, we also have the Burp Collaborator and the Burp Intruder. Those are very, very important things in here. If you're testing for blind SSRF, for example, this can be really useful, or for anything that requires an out-of-band server. Because what this basically is an out-of-band server that's going to allow you to send requests to that web server, and HTTP requests, DNS requests, all of these different types of requests, to your collaborator server. And if they come in, you can see that in here, and you can actually examine the requests. So this is a very, very useful feature, and I haven't even gone over all of them yet, because there are even more. You have your click bandit, you have infiltrator, you have your configuration libraries, there are project options which you can set, and your intruder you can configure it from here. Same thing for your repeater, you can configure it from here. You can detach any of these windows, which might be useful. Say for example, if you want to put that on a separate location on your, or even on a second monitor, it's all possible. You can detach any of those, you can reattach them. If you close them, it's going to reappear in here. Simple as that. So Burp Suite, amazing tool. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, amazing.